Can I use them?
Ma'am, can I? Ishwari Fatima
Can I?
Zahra.
मैम कैन आई बॉडी वाला मरियम।
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, my voice was not coming, is it?
Ma'am, can
मैम
I
कैन
read
आई रीड?
Fatima Bahajat's?
Nobody is going to read sorry, beta, because y'all don't understand. I'm just explaining to you. I don't want y'all to speak because the recording is going on. Y'all should not unmute your mics unless you're asked to. Now I was explaining, but I think my mic was mute, so you couldn't understand. So let me explain again. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. That means this was said by Albert Einstein during his visit to Boston in 1921. And he commented this particular thought that education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind. It means that all the facts it's available in all the textbooks. Okay, if you want to learn GK, you get a book. You can learn from there. You can learn English. You can learn social from books. You can learn all the subjects from the book. But when you think out of your mind, think out of the box. That is, uh, you are taught some science experiment. You just write it down. You copy it down. That is not enough. When you practically do it and you start thinking that how come this chemical and this chemical are reacting like this. So you have to think yourself. When you think yourself, you think out of the box, then it is proper education. The teachers are imparting, you are learning something, that is all very good, but also you should know extra information. The other day I was sharing about Olympics, but none of them, you all had a question: what, how, where, why, who. So I was explaining that if somebody was really curious, they would have asked me that whether the Olympic games, who are the Indian participants who are playing. I in fact showed you all also, I think, in one of the what you call proxy lectures also about Olympics. So, and if I don't show also, you should also be aware of what is going around the world. You should know of the latest news. So watch the English news every day. If you don't get English news, you read some newspapers. If you don't know, search in your Google for the latest today's, like say today's news for news for today or today's news. You will get all the news. So you have to have the curiosity to know. If I tell you do like this, you will do like that blindly without, because you trust the teacher. But if you do it yourself, you will understand. How it is done, why it is done, what is the reaction. So education is not the learning of facts. That is, from facts you can learn everything, but you have to train your mind to think more, think out of the box. So this is the meaning of the quotation. Now I'll go to the lesson that we were new lesson that we are going to do. Okay. I share my screen. Okay. Today we'll start the lesson eating healthy with Gunduram. Okay. I don't want anybody to interrupt in the middle. I don't want anybody to say, Miss, I want to read. I want to read. Now I just want Muskan is there. Muskan. Muskan, are you there? Muskan is not there. Sorry. Sakina is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakina.
Yes.
What's your full name? Sakina Nayani or Sakina what?
Sakina Nayani.
Okay, Sakina, you can see the names of the girls, right? You can see the names of the girls because I cannot see.
Okay.
So, who is the first girl?
Fatima Zahra.
Fatima Zehra. Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay, start reading. Start reading fast.
Okay.
The rest of you mute your mics. Rest of you mute your mics. Yes.
Eating healthy with Gundu Ram. Warm up. We often do not.
One second, Fatima. Tell your parents who are talking at the back to not make a noise, or you go away somewhere else. Come on. Ask somebody to be quiet. I think somebody is talking in the back.
Okay. Now it is
Come
clear.
on. Yes. Start
Eating
better.
healthy with
Gundura.
Gundu Ram. Warm up. We often do not take care of our health or think about our diet. This,
Read
this
the sentence.
read this sentence related to health and fitness and take your responses. Then
Verify.
verify whether your response were correct.
Okay, now first let me explain, then you start. Okay, again. We
Okay.
often do not take care of our health and think about our diet. So, all of us, we know that we are so busy, that we don't even bother to take care of our health. Sometimes we like we know that it's not good for health, but we still have it because we don't bother about our diet. And here the sentences are related to health and fitness. And correct. So here there is a chart over here. Now Fatima, read this first one.
Okay.
Our eating, our eating
First,
habits.
our
Uh,
eating habits have no effect on our health.
One second.
Agree?
E- One second.
On
Our
this.
our eating habits have no effect, not affect. It is not a double F. It is effect. Okay. Okay. Our eating habits have no effect in our health. Next, continue.
Having too much sugar make us healthy.
Hmm. Then continue.
Junk food can make us fall ill.
Hmm.
Eating a heavy dinner is good for for the system. Exercising or playing a sport can be beneficial to us.
Beneficial to us. Beneficial to us.
Beneficial to us.
Okay, thank you, beta. Now, our habits, I'm explaining now. Our habits have no effect on our health. No, you have to disagree. Not, our habits have no effect on our health. You agree or don't you disagree? What is it? You agree or see certain habits we have. We always sit and we just watch TV and eat, we keep on eating. Is this a good effect? Does it have a good effect on our health or no effect on our health?
No.
So our eating habits have no effect on our health. Yes, agreed. No, it's true. Okay. So is it good or bad for your health?
Bad.
Huh?
Bad.
So you have to agree with
Bad.
first rule. Junk food can make us fall ill. Yes or no? Yes. So
Yes.
you agree.
Agree.
Then eating a heavy dinner is good for the system. Is
Disagree.
what do you all think? Yes or no? You agree or you don't agree?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, ma'am.
You should, yeah, you don't agree because eating heavy dinner is good for the system. Yes or no? Just disagree. You don't have to have heavy dinner.
I am
It is said
disagreeing.
that the heaviest meal of the day, one second, the heaviest food meal of the day should be the breakfast. You should eat like a king, and then breakfast eat like a pauper, like a beggar. Means you have to eat very less for dinner. So, our eating habits have no effect on the health. Yes or no? Yes. Then agree. Having too much sugar makes us healthy or disagree? Agree. Junk food can make us fall ill? Agree. Eating a
Agree.
heavy dinner is again good for eating a heavy dinner is good for the system. Disagree. Yes, you
Yes.
have to. What you're saying is correct. Yes. Exercising or playing a sport can be beneficial for us. Yes, it is true.
Agree.
Okay. So, all of you know that. Now, Fatima, thank you, beta.
Not
Now, Sakina,
agree.
tell me the next girl. Sakina, tell
Yes.
me the next name.
Fatima Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima
It's a
Bajaj. Now,
story
please
about
read.
a young boy who loved eating all
Hmm.
the wrong things. Read how a magical encounter helped him lead a healthier life. Guddu Ram was a young boy who loved eating. He lived in a beautiful house surrounded by fields of green vegetables and juicy fruits. However, Guddu loved gorging
Gorging on.
gorging on French fries, chocolates, ice cream, samosas, cutlets, and other delicious but unhealthy food. He was found mun- munching,
Munching on them often.
munching on them often.
Okay, let me explain. So, this story you're going to learn is about a young boy who loved eating all the wrong things. When your mother tells you eat fruits, you eat dry fruits. What you'll do, you'll eat samosas and cutlets and ice cream and chocolates, which is not good for health. So, Gunduram was a young boy who loved eating. He lived in a beautiful house. So, Gunduram, he was very fond of food. He was a foodie. But he lived in a beautiful house which was surrounded by green vegetables and fruity juices. There were trees and plants which had vegetables and juices. I mean, fruits also. So he could have eaten the green vegetables. He could have taken the fruits of the around, and he could have eaten the fruits or made the juices and drank. But however, Gunduram loved gorging. Gorging means eating greedily, gorging on French fries. French fries, potato chips, long potato chips, then chocolates, ice cream, samosas, cutlets, and other delicacies, delicious but unhealthy food. So these are all tasty but unhealthy. So he was found munching on them. Munching means you keep on eating, okay? Munching on them often. Sakina, tell me the next girl's name.
Insha Bohra.
Insha Bora, please start better. Insha, i-
Yes, ma'am.
start reading better.
He was
Soon,
he was found munching.
better. You can see.
He
Soon
was
Gundu.
so,
Soon, come on.
okay.
Is there a problem with your mic, beta? Then ask another girl. It is see on my
Ma'am, where
screen.
is it?
All of you can see the screen or not?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. It's a
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Ma.
soon Gundu start. Beta, you're wasting my time, beta. Fast. If you don't know, then ask somebody else. Sakina, who is the next girl after Insha?
Tanzim Fatima Nayani.
Tanzim Fatima Nai, please start reading. Tanzim Fatima Nayani, can you see my screen? Okay, who's the next girl after Nayani?
Nida Rajani.
Nida Rajani, please start reading. Nida
Okay,
Rajani,
ma'am.
start beta,
Okay,
fast.
ma'am.
Fast.
Soon.
Soon Kundu started feeling unwell. He became
Sluggish
sluggish and
and grew
sluggish
obese.
and grew obese.
Start
Since
reading,
he
but had a
had
low.
low stamina, he only
He
stayed indoors and refused
refused
to go
outside
outside and play even in school.
in
The
school.
teacher felt he was becoming slow at catching up on studies and
Students studies are sorry, very good.
students
And at
and
sports.
sports. Despite that, he kept
Think
thinking only about taste and nothing more than that.
read.
Then Then one day, after a boring and sluggish morning spent at home, munching on chips and playing video games, his mother
Post him.
forced him to go outside and walk in the fields. You
Fields.
must get fields.
Hmm.
You must get some fresh air and exercise. Gundu, she said, adding, your teacher say you are very
Lethargic.
lethargic. Hurt and angry, he escaped into the fields and sat here sulking.
Okay.
Sudden,
Okay, complete that. Okay, suddenly. Complete it.
Suddenly before him stood a radiant lady. She was green in color and wore clothes and jewels made of vegetables and fruits.
Okay, thank you, Beta. So let me explain. Soon Gunduram started feeling unwell because if you keep on hogging on unhealthy food, what will happen? You will feel sick. Okay, unwell is sick. So he became sluggish. Sluggish means better, or some of you has mute your mics, better. Okay, he became sluggish. Sluggish means he becomes very lazy and grew obese. Obese means you became overweight. Since he had a low stamina, that is, he became so lazy that he didn't have the stamina, the strength. He only stayed indoors and refused to go outside and play. So he was so lazy that he used to stay only inside the house and he would never go out to play even. So even in school, the teachers felt he was becoming slow at catching up on studies and at sports. So even the teachers always told his mother that he's becoming slow in his studies, he's becoming slow at sports, he's not taking part. So despite that, he kept thinking only about taste and nothing more. But he was such a foodie that he was only thinking about food and tasty things only and nothing more. Then one day, after a boring and sluggish morning spent at home, munching on chips and playing video games, his mother forced him to go outside and walk in the fields. So one day, what happened when he was very, very lazy and was just sitting and eating chips, munching, eating chips, and munching, you get the sound, the cracking of the chips, so, and playing video games. He used to just play video games and eat chips, play video games and eat chips. So one day his mother forced him that you have to go out and go for a walk in the field because you're becoming very obese. Obese means fat and unhealthy. You must get some fresh air and exercise, Gundu, she said, adding, your teachers say you are very lethargic. So she tells him, Gundu, you cannot sit at home. You need some fresh air. We need some oxygen to breathe. So you have to go out and do exercise, Gundu. And your teachers also say you have become very lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. So hurt and angry, escaped into the field and sat sulking. So he was hurt that his mother had scolded him and forced him to go out of the house and was sulking. Sulking means he was very angry with his mother and he made a face, a glum face, and he was not in a mood. Suddenly before him, a radiant lady, she was in green and wore clothes and jewels made of vegetables and fruits. So suddenly what happened? One radiant lady, radiant means very bright, and she came in a green color and green color clothes. She was green in color and plus her clothes also she wore and jewels were made of vegetables and fruits. You can see the picture. Sakina, who's the next girl? Sakina, who's the next
Mariam.
girl? Mariam,
Yes, ma'am.
Body.
start reading better. Smiling gently,
Smiling gently
gently
at,
at
at
Gundu,
Gundu, she said, I am
Shakambari
Shakambari, the
the
goddess of the
of garden.
gardens. Why do
Hmm.
you look so upset?
Hmm.
Gundu started his problem.
Shared his
Start
problem,
shared his
shared
problem with her.
with
He told her everything. How everyone called him
let,
lethargic at school
lethargic.
and home, and
Hmm.
how he had started feeling unwell but did not know what was wrong.
Hmm.
She heard all of his grief,
Grievances, grievances.
grievances patiently and then said, let me introduce you to some of my friends. Kundu, they have
They
helped my children like you become strong and healthy. If you listen to them, they will help you too.
so
So
saying.
saying, Shakambari started walking towards a tomato patch with Gundu running to catch up with her.
Thank you, beta. Let me explain. Thank you. Okay. Smiling gently at Gundu. Now, there, she was goddess. She was goddess Shakambari. She was the goddess of the garden. Okay, her name was Shakambari. And that's why she was looking green. And she had worn everything green, green ornaments made of fruits and vegetables. And why do you look so upset? So she comes to Gundu and she asks, why are you so upset? You don't seem to be happy. What is it? So Gundu shared his problem. Gundu said he told her everything, how everyone called him lethargic at school and home. So Gundu said that, like everybody called him lazy, lethargic, at home and school. And now he has started feeling unwell. Now he is feeling very uncomfortable, but did not know what was wrong with him. So when you eat too much of junk food, what happens? Your body starts growing overweight. Your means you increase your weight, you become obese, and your cholesterol increases, which is not good for health. And all the fat and the oily things that you eat, they get clogged in your this thing heart, the pipes, the veins, and the muscles and everywhere. So what happens? The blood flow becomes very slow, and if the blood doesn't reach the heart, what happens? What happens? Any person can have a heart fail also. So you should control your food intake. So he started telling that he was feeling unwell and he didn't know what was wrong with him. So she heard all of his grievances. Grievances means complaints patiently, and then said, let me introduce to some of my friends, Gundu. So she thinks she heard everything very patiently, without any hesitation, like without any like hurry. And then she said, let me introduce to my friends. They have helped many children like you become strong and healthy. So if you listen to them, they will help you too. So she is saying that, I have, I have many friends, and some of them have helped many children to become strong and healthy. So these friends which I'm going to introduce to you, they are going to help you to become strong and healthy. So if you listen to them, they will help you too. So if you listen to your friends' advice or other people's advice, they will help you also. So saying, Shakambari started walking towards the tomato patch. So she started walking towards the place where tomatoes were grown. Okay, with Gundu running to catch up with her. So Gundu was slowly running behind because he was overweight. No, he couldn't run fast, but he was trying to follow her. Okay, now who is the next person, Sakina? Who's the next girl? Sakina? Sakina? Who is the next girl?
Fatima. Fatima Keshwani Mehndi Hassan.
Fatima Keshwani Mehdi Hassan. Okay. Chalo, Fatima Keshwani, are you there? Fatima
Yes, ma'am.
Keshwani? Yes, start reading better.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. With my blessing, you will be able to hear these
Here.
friends talk for here. These friends talk, talk for some time. Come along, she said. She first walked him through a tomato patch. As he looked, searching, as he looked,
For Shak
searching for Sucumberry's friend,
friend,
the cherry,
red tomatoes,
the,
the cherry red
when
tomatoes
cherry red the tomatoes patch,
growing
as he looked,
in patches greeted him excitedly.
greeted
Read.
him excitedly. Hello,
Hmm.
Gundu.
Come on, continue.
After
Continue.
overcoming his
His
pleasant shock
shock.
at hearing the red tomatoes speak, he had them saying,
Say,
"We tomatoes saying, we tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, B, and C. If you have us, you can avoid colds,
cuffs,
coughs,
cuffs,
colds,
colds, cuffs.
cups, and many other problems. The best part is you can eat us in curry salads,
Curries, salads,
curries,
and not salads, okay,
curries,
salads and salads,
salads and
salad
juices.
and juices.
We, we are we are delicious.
So she's saying that I'll take you. But she takes Gunduram near the tomato patch, means where the tomatoes were growing. And she said that with my blessings, I'll bless you, and you will hear the friends. That is, the friends are those vegetables. Okay, she's talking about the fruits and vegetables. So she's saying I'll take you to the friends, and they will talk for some time with you. So come along. She takes him. She first takes him through a tomato patch. As you So as he looked searching for Shakambari's friend, the cherry red tomatoes growing in patches greeted him excitedly. So the tomato started speaking, and he was greeted excitedly. Hello, Gundu, and he was really surprised, that the vegetables are talking to him. The vegetables usually don't talk, but with the blessings of Shakambari, he could hear what the tomatoes were saying. So the tomatoes had greeted him, hello, Gundu. So after coming to his pleasant shock, means he was really surprised that vegetable is speaking to me. So shocked at hearing the red tomatoes speak. So he heard them sing, "We tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, B, and C. So if you have us, you can avoid coughs, cold, and many other problems. So the best part is you can eat us in curries, salads, and juices." So what he was really surprised, and then the tomatoes said, that if you eat us, you will get vitamins A, vitamin B, and vitamin part is you can eat in curries, salads, and juices. So you can put tomatoes in everything. All of you know that when we cook our food, we put it in the curries, we put it in the salads, we make a juice and have. We can even put it in fried rices. We can put in every type of dishes that we make, and it is very delicious to eat tomatoes. Okay. Now, who is Sakina? Who is the next girl? Sakina, who is the next girl?
Malkani Fatima.
Malkani Fatima, start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading, Beta.
Yes, ma'am. Two. Sutten as I Standing Goli
No,
do
what are you
heart.
reading? Better look at the screen. Next, they crossed.
Yes. Next they cross a patch that looked empty MPT.
Are you reading better? Did you search for it in your textbook, or you can see the screen or not better?
Yes, screen visible, ma'am.
Read, read better.
Next, that cross. Ketchup,
Patch.
diluted.
Look
Patch,
at me.
diluted.
But it is not
Look,
looked empty.
looked empty.
Chakambari.
Chattambari say these two is a wedging,
Veggie patch. Veggie patch.
wedging, wedging
Veggie
patch.
patch.
You may
I think.
think it is empty, but there are potatoes under the group.
Hmm. Suddenly, read.
Suddenly, yes, suddenly
Kundu heard.
Gundu heard the potatoes speak. Hi, Gundu, there. Call Call everyone loves us, but most people can mistake
Make a mistake.
their like us friend
They like us.
on
They like us
on
fried. They like us
is
fried,
like us fire
but fried, but
fried.
no one realizes
No one realizes that we
we lose
loses much of the good is
in us
us when only and fire
fried.
five. How
However,
when we are
boiled
polygined
or baked,
old or big, we have lots of muscular
potassium,
potassium,
calcium, calcium, iron.
yeah,
Uma,
baby. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
bitter,
Calcium,
calcium,
calcium, iron, iodine,
it is
vitamin
iodine,
C, many more
vitamin
good
C, and many
things.
other
Gundu felt bad. He had
fed fat in.
attained,
So
attained so many potatoes, but he had missing all the
missed
good
all the
and
goods in them,
miss
all the
miss
good
all
in
the
them.
good in. He told them, from now on, I will eat you in the right way.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you.
Rinse the
Enough,
potatoes.
enough. So then what happened? Let me explain. So we explained about tomatoes. Now next they crossed a patch that looked empty. So then a Shakambari goddess took him to a patch where it was only brown mud. So he was wondering, this is empty. So this too is a veggie patch. So she explains that this is also a patch of vegetables. You must think it is empty, but there are potatoes under the ground, because you should know that potato grows under the ground. You all studied in science, isn't it? So potatoes grow under the ground. So, and suddenly Gundu heard the potato speak. So again, now the potato started speaking. Hi, Gundu, they called out. So everyone loves us, but most people make a mistake. So everybody loves me, loves us. Sorry, the potatoes. No, potatoes are saying that everybody loves to eat potatoes. All of you love to eat potatoes? Yes or no? You love to eat potatoes? Ah,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
fact,
Yes.
yes. Everybody loves to eat potatoes. Okay. But most people make a mistake. What is the mistake they do? They like us fried, but no one realizes that we lose much of the good in us. So what happens is we all fry the potatoes, and like we have chips and we have finger chips and French fries and all that. And we fry them and have them. Okay. And what happens? All the goodness of the potato, whatever the good qualities that the potato has, all the potassium and the chlorine, sorry, calcium that it has, will all be removed if you fry them. Okay, so we should not fry them. However, when we are boiled or baked, the potatoes are same. But if you boil the potatoes or bake the potatoes, we have lot of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C, and many more good things. So, like the tomatoes have vitamin A, B, and C, in the same way, the potatoes have potassium, they have calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C, and many more good qualities in them. Okay, good things in them. So Gundu felt bad. He had eaten so many potatoes, but he had missed all the good ones. So then Gundu realizes, that all these years I've been eating only fried potatoes in any form, whether it is in the form of chips or whether it is form in the tin chips. But I'm having only